Hello, good morning to everyone. Today we will start our chapter 8, The Land of the Midnight Sun. And children, today's topics are features of Greenland, its terrain and climate. So let's begin with the feature of Greenland. Greenland lies in the northern hemisphere and is located between the Arctic Ocean and the North Atlantic Ocean. The Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of the island. It is located towards the northeast of Canada. Davis Strait and Baffin Bay separate it from the northern part of Canada. The Greenland ice sheet is 5,000 feet thick on an average, and it is the second largest body of ice in the world after the Antarctic sheet, and it covers 80% of Greenland's surface. Inuits are the original inhabitant of Greenland. The largest town in southern Greenland is Qaqortoq, and it has beautiful wooden houses on the hillside. Nuuk is its capital, and it is the world's smallest capital city. It was earlier known as God Thab. The country is bordered by the Atlantic Ocean in the southeast, Arctic Ocean towards the north, Greenland Sea in the east, and by Baffin Bay in the west. Canada and Iceland are the close neighbors of Greenland. Now, next topic is terrain. Terrain, what do you mean by terrain? Terrain means the type of land, or in other words we can say the specific physical features of an area of land. The terrain is mostly flat but has gradually sloping ice caps that cover all land except the coastal regions. The coast is narrow, rocky, and consists of highlands. Mountain chain runs on the east and the west coast, and in southern Greenland there are 3 naturally heated springs, and the water is heated by the deep layers of the earth's crust rubbing against each other. Now our next topic is, children, climate. What type of climate does the Greenland have? See, the temperature in Nuuk varies from -9 degrees centigrade to -30 degrees centigrade. However, during the summer's temperature can go up as too much as 5 degrees centigrade during the winters, and the highest temperature is -23 degrees centigrades. Greenland experiences about 2 months of midnight sun during the summer, and the midnight sun is a phenomenon that takes place in the summer months in the regions lying north of the Arctic Circle and south of the Antarctic Circle. In these regions, the sun shines for 24 hours a day for 6 months a year, and summers here are cool and winters are extremely cold. During the summers, the sun does not set for several weeks, and however, during the winters, the sun does not rise for several months and it snows constantly. The snow normally melts during summers. The icebergs, which are basically blocks of ice that have melted, float away and get submerged in the oceans. Icebergs are very dangerous for ships that pass through the region, as they cannot be seen in the thick fog. This can lead to the accidents. So children, today we have completed these topics, and in the next class we will continue our another topics. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Goodbye.